Hey guys, so this is just a simple specs comparison video of the Hot 12 Cyber 13 Pro versus the Hot 12 Cyber X Pro. This video is just to see if the specs of the Cyber 13 Pro is an upgrade over the specs of the Cyber X Pro, or if the specs is not as great as that of the Cyber X Pro. The Cyber 13 Pro is the latest rugged phone from Hot 12. It is expected to be the successor of the Cyber X series, which consists of the Cyber X and the Cyber X Pro. So, without further ado, let's compare the specs of these two rugged phones to see which is best. So there we go guys, the Cyber 13 Pro versus the Cyber X Pro. Which of the two devices do you think packs the best specs in your opinion? In my opinion, the Cyber X Pro has better specs. I mean, it is powered by the Helio G99, while the Cyber 13 Pro is powered by the Unisoc T619. The T619 is a brand new processor from Unisoc, but it's still not as efficient and powerful as the Helio G99. The G99 is still far better than the Unisoc T619, and also the rear camera of the Cyber X Pro is 108 MP, which is the main camera, while the main rear camera of the Cyber 13 Pro is 64 MP. The predecessor, which is the Cyber X Pro, is still packed with better specs than the successor, which is the Cyber 13 Pro. But like I mentioned earlier, I'd like to hear your thoughts. Which of the two devices do you think has the best specs? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.